What is up, YouTube? So today I created this green eyeshadow look for you guys today using the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. If you're new here, I am doing this series on my channel where I use a ton of eyeshadow palettes that I have, create looks for them, so that if you are interested in getting the same palettes, or even if you have them, it kind of inspires and motivates you to create these looks. I don't have any updates for you guys at the momento, but if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. We are doing a green look today using the Colourpop Just My Luck palette, as well as one shade from the Morphe James Charles palette. I tried my best to stick to this palette, but unfortunately the shade that I really wanted to use isn't in this palette, so that's why I had to go there. Let's just get into this toot. So I'm just gonna prime my lid. The first eyeshadow I'm going in with is Kiss My Ass, and I'm just applying that right to the crease. I actually really like this shade on its own. Like, I feel like as a spring look. So next I'm gonna deepen up my crease with Act Natural. Now I'm going to cut my crease so that we can do some lid application. Now I am going to take Big Bangs and apply it right to the center of the lid. I'm gonna leave the first third open and apply it to the outer third. Then, just to help blend this outer V, I'm going in with Act Natural again, just to help blend the two shades. Then I'm going to take a smaller, wow, the name literally came out of the brush. Like, the name is literally missing. I want to say it's an E10, and I'm just going to kind of detail. From the Morphe and James Charles palette, I am taking the shade Ring Light, and I'm going to apply it right on the inner third of my lid. Now I'm going to take the brush that I used for Big Bangs, and I'm just going to tap it over Ring Light. For eyeliner, I'm using Revlon Color Stay. This is their Skinny Black Liquid Liner. Skinny Liquid Liner in Blackout. I'm just going to create a wing. For lashes, I'm going to be applying Welcome to Paradise by Island Beauty. Now I'm going to do my face. I am going to do it off camera, but I'm going to create a Instagram video for it. So if you want to see how I did my face makeup, then make sure to head over to my Instagram and see how that all plays out. I am almost done with the rest of my face. I'm just going to apply eyeshadow to the lower lash line, and I thought you guys might want to see how that goes. So going in with Kiss My Ass, and I am just buffing it in to the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with Act Natural and just applying it the same, but just a little bit more precise. For mascara, I am just going to use Colourpop's Volumizing Mascara in Black on Black. Now I'm going to continue on with the rest of my face, and I will be back. This is the completed look using the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. I really like how this look came out. One of my favorite eyeshadows to use and to play with is green. I really like how it looks, and I really like the different shades of green. This look for me was a ton of fun to create. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have the palette, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, you can follow me on Instagram. That is always down below and at the end of this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I don't think I have anything else to say except thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.